Alright, so this video is for Steve. Steve wanted to see a mullein on mullein. Okay, you don't have to just leave it wide. So a mullein on mullein. So this is the base of a mullein, which I cut in half, thick base. Okay. As you can see, this is burned in, and I put a notch in it. Okay. Now, the tops of mullein get pretty thin, but if you get really down at the base near the root, it can be pretty thick, almost like wood. Okay, so that's where you want to have your base if you're going to do this. So I'm going to stand on a stool so that my daughter can film. So I'm going to clamp this on the table for now. I'm going to get up here. All right. And I'm going to, if Alexa video's up here, you can see that I'm floating. My hands are floating, right? So I'm not going down the traditional way. I'm just going to float for now. Okay, so now if you can get the whole thing, it's pretty much in frame. Anyway, I'm getting some smoke, so now you can film at the notch. Okay. Now, you can see that the notch is filling with dust and it's smoking. I'm still just floating right now. Just floating. Getting plenty of speed. Okay. You can take a picture of my hands. Okay. Still just floating. Plenty of speed. Okay, back at the notch. So you can see the notch is filling. You have it? Oh, and we have a coal. So, I'll pull this out. You can see it's smoking. It's going to glow in a minute. And there we go. So that is mullein on mullein. Okay. This was a 7/16 diameter base down here. And this is a common mullein for Bascom thapsus. Okay, and there you have it. All right, Steve. Hope you enjoyed that. Catch you later.